Hey guys, for this video, we're going to take a look at the respiratory system. More specifically, we're going to try and understand how inhalation and exhalation works, so how we're breathing in and out, and what effects that has on the inside of our body. I just want you to remember when they're talking about inhalation, they're going to use the term inspiration, and for exhalation, they're going to use the term expiration, but it's exactly the same thing. So really quickly, when we inhale, that's when we're bringing air into our chest cavity. So our diaphragm and our intercostal muscles, which are the muscles inside our, in between our ribs, are going to contract when we're breathing in. Because of that, the amount of space within our lungs gets bigger. So our lungs get bigger. That's what we're talking about when we're saying volume increases. The amount of space gets bigger. Because there's more space, that automatically means that there's less pressure. So the amount of space in there is bigger. You're not in as much of a tighter confined space. So the oxygen particles can move into that space. So they enter the tract because there's more space for there to move around in there. The opposite is going to happen with exhalation. So let's just see this overview that goes over the anatomy and how we inhale and exhale while that's happening. It happens kind of automatically. That's going to force the air out of your lungs while you're breathing out. So just to sum up what we saw, as you inhale, which means breathing in, your diaphragm and your intercostal muscles are going to contract. So the muscle below your lungs, as well as the muscle between your ribs, are going to contract. So they tighten. The diaphragm goes downwards, which means that the amount of volume, so the amount of space inside your lungs is increasing. When that happens, that automatically means that pressure decreases. So whenever volume increases, pressure decreases. Now that the pressure is lower, the oxygen molecules are rushing into your tract. So that's how you're breathing in. As you're making that space, the particles, as you're breathing in, like they're going to enter the space that's available inside your lungs. So that's what happens when you inhale. Then you do the opposite. You relax your muscles, so your diaphragm and your intercostal muscles relax, and that makes it so that the amount of space inside your lungs decreases. It gets smaller. While that's happening, it pushes the air out. So the pressure inside your lungs has just increased because there's less space, and it pushes the air out. So hopefully in that situation, we're getting rid of carbon dioxide.